16. Q. What is a view in SQL and what are its advantages? A. A view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. It's stored as a query in the database's metadata. Advantages. Security. Restricts access to certain data. Simplification. Simplifies complex queries. Data independence. Changes to the underlying tables don't necessarily affect the view. Example. Create view customer orders as select customers.name, orders.order_id from customers. Join orders on customers.customer_id equals orders.customer_id. 17. Q. Explain the difference between char and varchar data types. A. Char. Fixed length string data type. If you declare char 10, it always occupies 10 characters, padding with spaces if necessary. Varchar. Variable length string data type. If you declare varchar 10, it stores only the characters you provide, up to a maximum of 10. This saves storage space. 18. Q. What is a self-join and when is it used? A. A self-join is a join operation in which a table is joined with itself. It's used when you need to compare rows within the same table. Example. Finding employees who report to other employees in the same employees table. 19. Q. What is a correlated subquery? How does it differ from a non-correlated subquery? A. Correlated subquery. A subquery that depends on the outer query for its values. It executes once for each row processed by the outer query. Non-correlated subquery. A subquery that executes independently of the outer query. Its result is used by the outer query. Correlated subqueries are often slower due to their repeated execution. 20. Q. Explain the exists operator and how it's used. A. The exists operator checks for the existence of rows that satisfy a subquery. It returns true if the subquery returns any rows and false otherwise. It's often more efficient than IN for large datasets. Example. Select customer name from customers where exists. Select order ID from orders where orders.customer_id equals customers.customer_id. 21. Q. What are window functions in SQL? And give an example. A. Window functions perform calculations across a set of table rows that are related to the current row. They are similar to aggregate functions, but they don't collapse the rows. Example. Row_number, rank, dense_rank, lead, lag, sum, over, avg, over. Example. Select product name, price, rank, over, order by price DESC as price rank from products. 22. Q. What is a common table expression, CTE, and when is it useful? A. ACTE is a temporary named result set that you can reference within a select, insert, update, or delete statement. It's useful for simplifying complex queries and improving readability. Example. With ranked products as select product name, price, rank, over, order by price DESC as price rank from products, select product name, price from ranked products where price rank less than equals 10. 23. Q. What are the differences between implicit and explicit cursors? A. Implicit cursors, created automatically by the database server for SQL statements that return a single row, or no rows. Explicit cursors, cursors defined by the user in the code so that the user can have control over the rows that are returned by a query. Explicit cursors are needed when a query returns multiple rows. 24. Q. What are the main differences between SQL and NoSQL databases? A. SQL. Relational databases, structured data, schema-based, uses SQL. NoSQL. Non-relational databases, various data models, document, key value, graph, etc., schemaless or dynamic schema, different query languages. 25. Q. How do you optimize a slow-running SQL query? A. Analyze the query's execution plan. Ensure proper indexing. Rewrite the query for efficiency. Optimize database schema. Avoid using select asterisk. Use appropriate data types. Reduce the use of cursors. Use where clauses to limit data returned.